Hello and welcome back to the Mobile Programmation Live Coding stream. This is Matt, and today we're going to have a little bit of styling on this page. So let me just show you what it is going to look like. What we need is a big search bar. This shouldn't be a button at all. If you see, we have inline elements, and we have multiple divisions right there. The way I want to do that is to implement them in the theme, the site theme, even though you can do that in several ways. Let's say in the page. So this is the unique ID of my current view. This will get really relevant when you want to style site-wide search, even though it's not exactly the title I want for this kind of view. Let me just change it real quick. Now it should be good. Just changing the name so it's more relevant. Still has the same ID though. What we could do is we could duplicate the view and change its name along the course. This should work. By the way, this is Ghost by 9 Inch Nail that's currently playing. I'm using it because this is, I think, Creative Commons attribution copyright, so I won't be bugged by publicity on YouTube and such. So normally we should have another view named event search page. Doesn't seem to be the case though. Oh, I think I need to save now. Good. Excellent. We had a custom module generate search entry there, and now it's gone. Just want to check why. Ah. Okay. All right. Good. You know what I'd want to do is that when I click this search button, it doesn't remove these search fields as well. I'll be doing that in another clip. But for now, let's get into what I wanted to do. So we have here display summary of the view. This isn't right. I'll be removing it right now. Okay. What? This is probably because my This is probably because my page wasn't loaded with the CSS that was transferred. Okay, so now we have exactly what we'd want. It is the search division at the left. What we'd want too is that at the end of the search division there should be a clear division, so that the rest of the page follows. Let me show you what I mean right now. If I can just input something here, like okay, let's try and go for clear both. You'll see. Oh, I should need the display block perhaps. No. It was worth a try. Let's change a little bit our tactic. So now we have the actual table we're using here, and this is the view widget form. Let's check which kind of template is going in for this. You can always go check in the views theme to see if what you are looking for is in there. Now I have view. View filters. Is that what we want? View filters, indeed. Filter view content. So let's create our own custom template field for this. Yeah, this sounds right. Let me take a short pause. I'm going to the bathroom. Alright, I'm back. So this we won't need anymore. So we're going to input some CSS in the general pages because a clear division I'm going to use sometimes. So let's not repeat these instructions too much. Okay, to see if this worked out, let's first rescan. As you can see, the new template is being used. Sounds weird. Good. So this worked out. Let's connect the rest of it. Search summary, real easy. We'll see that our view content is floating right first. Alright, so already we're going to see the type of design we'd want. The advanced option to the left, the search element right here, and the results being displayed in the right place. Now what we'd want is probably first the lines, which isn't much really, then a header title for our filters, also a title for our results. Then we are going to style these links and the actual template. Good. I was checking it to see if the reset button was influencing this field, and it is, because we transmitted the value within the form even though it's hidden. So what I'm looking at is that my title isn't really displayed anywhere, but we could do this using the template actually. So let's try this out. Okay, so as we can see, the filter header is displayed right where we'd want to. Now we'd also want the search summary to always display somehow. I think it does already. Or does it? Alright, at least it does. So we can go there, look up for this ID, Five may be a little too much. Okay. It's a bit too much anyway. Alright. Good. Exactly what we'd want. So now let's get the header. This is such a beautiful piece of music. If you guys haven't checked out the Ghost album from 9 Inch Nails, you should really go and find this out. Really interesting stuff in there. Also, it's quite long. Alright. Doesn't seem to look like it actually. This is because the filters don't have a fixed width. Yeah. Oh. Let's see. Good. As you can see, the gap looks like the same. Now what we want is our inputs to be ordered in the right way. I mean, to have the right width. Oh, it's called ViewNT. Okay. We'd really want our search summary to be there, even though it's empty, right? Right. So let's check out the template. Nope. Nothing. Ah, there it is. View content, view empty. Anyway, I feel like we could put search summary right in this and destroy this template. It's of no use to us. Yeah, I think that's exactly what we're going to do. Why, it looks a bit hard on the eye though. Okay, bit better. This should do the trick. Really now. Oh, at least we have what we need here, but probably that our entry, yeah, our entry is a bit corrupt because it should be a view empty here. Let me correct this. Good. That's a bit weird. Normally I'd want this to be a bit less, and oh wait, I mean to be a bit less big, to have a certain margin, and padding should do the trick, but it doesn't. We'll check this out later on. For now, let's work on our fields. What if I told him good, so why can they get it the first time? This is so weird. Yes, would be 90, but the parent division probably blocks it. One of them is on anyway. So with auto doesn't cut it. Here we have clear both. Doesn't matter much. My, how many division does it take for a single input? Come on. This is having way too much padding. So I'm wondering why this field actually has the exact 100% of the width, while these don't. I feel like this is a JavaScript problem. I feel like what makes generates the calendar right there is trying to change the width itself. I may be wrong, but I don't see any other reason right now. Because we have the right width right there, and everything goes well until this. Let me try and form item this formulate pop-up. Okay. Okay, still no result though. Well, I have to input this on every one of these. Alright, so as you can see, most of my page is turning out fine. I'm now moving on to the title of the table. Alright. We haven't been looking up how we would want our links to be displayed in this site. I think I'll be thinking about that. Margin tab. Okay. Let's get a margin tab for our exposed filters also. Nope. Nope. Not quite. Okay. Okay, so this is a problem right now. Exposed widget. Let's try and get this, but in a better way. This is the result for top, which I'll be changing to bottom instead. Alright, so this is aligned with our table, I mean. For some reason this looks so big. Alright, so this is what's been bugging us. Is it margin? No, margin. I feel like the explanation is a bit too big. Feels like yeah, feels like this instruction is going through 2 times for these kind of fields. You know what? I'm just going to give the university a custom Of course I could do this by saying first child in this, but it wouldn't work for most browsers, so... What about 2 here, and just be done with it? Not form actually. Remove this. Alright, so normalize is screwing me up. It's okay though, I'm going to fix this. Okay. Looks a bit failed though. I think I'm just going to 1 here. Okay, this is way better already. Hmm. I'm sure that would help. Or not. It's not even picking up. Of course, that doesn't matter either. What we'd want if is that this stop bothering our title. It's so close that it's almost feels like an error. Of course, it has no class or ID, so we can't interact with it for now. Let's try and get maybe width will do this. Nope. Ah, come on. So, yes, but no. Which means it's working, but since the image is not responding to us, it doesn't matter much. I had hope it was floating right at least, but it's not. Silly. I'm sure we'll find something in here. What I could look for is an image, I'm pretty sure. Let's try this. We have table somewhere around here. Yep. So table th image float right. Let's see if it's picking up. Oh, it is. Nice. It's a bit too far away now, but still better. Good. Feels better already. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. I think I'll be done with this particular live stream, guys. But thank you to be joining me. Thank you to be part of this. I hope people can appreciate what we're doing and hopefully learn something along the way. I know I do. Um, we'll be back very soon for another live stream. Matt, my name is Matt, of course, but what I mean is I'll be doing another one in like 1 hour. So if you stay online, you could always check out what I'm going to do next. So see ya, guys, and we'll see each other in the next episode.